This is Aries. Aries is 42 inches tall from the top of the head to the bottom of his feet. The head is completely carved out of wood. Horns are carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic, they do not move. His hands are carved out of wood also. The outfit is handmade. The back of the body is cut out here so you can get your hand in there. The body is a wood frame covered in cloth. For the arms and the legs are stuffed. We have a ring lever for this one. So you can use either your thumb or your finger, whichever you prefer, left or right hand. If you have to get inside the head to make any kinds of repairs, the wig is put on with staples. Just take the staples out. There's a screw on each side to unscrew, and then this back piece will come off if you ever have to get inside to do anything. If you're interested in him, you can contact me on my Facebook page. Look up my name, Daniel Cusno, and I'll answer any questions. If you want to see how I make my figures, you can go to my YouTube page under my name, Daniel Cusno, and you can see how I make them. So, Aries is done and ready to go. So thanks for watching.